بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
ويل للمطففين.
Woe to the stentors,
الذين إذا اكتالوا على الناس يستوفون.
those who when they take from others by measure take their full share.
وإذا كالوهم أو وزنوهم يخسرون.
But who when they measure or weigh for others give less than their due.
ألا يظن أولئك أنهم مبعوثون.
Do they not realize that they will be raised to life
ليوم عظيم.
on a great day,
يوم يقوم الناس لرب العالمين.
a day when mankind will stand before the Lord of the universe.
كلا إن كتاب الفجار لفي سجين.
No, indeed, verily, the deeds of the wicked are in the record, locked up in the prison house.
وما أدراك ما سجين.
And how would you know what the record of the prison house is?
كتاب مرقوم.
It is a book inscribed.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe then to those that give the lie,
الذين يكذبون بيوم الدين.
those that give the lie to the day of recompense.
وما يكذب به إلا كل معتد أثيم.
Yet none gives the lie to it except the transgressor immersed in sin.
إذا تتلى عليه آياتنا قال أساطير الأولين.
Who, when our verses are recited to him, says, mere tales of olden times.
كلا بل ران على قلوبهم ما كانوا يكسبون.
No, indeed, the truth is that their hearts have become rusted on account of their evil deeds.
كلا إنهم عن ربهم يومئذ لمحجوبون.
No, indeed, on that day they will be screened off from seeing their Lord.
ثم إنهم لصال الجحيم.
And then they shall enter hell.
ثم يقال هذا الذي كنتم به تكذبون.
Whereafter they will be told, this is what you used to give the lie to.
كلا إن كتاب الأبرار لفي عليين.
No, indeed, verily, the deeds of the virtuous shall be in the record of the exalted ones.
وما أدراك ما عليون.
And what do you know what the record of the exalted ones is?
كتاب مرقوم.
It is a book inscribed,
يشهده المقربون.
which the angels placed near Allah to safeguard.
إن الأبرار لفي نعيم.
Verily, the virtuous shall be in bliss,
على الأرائك ينظرون.
resting on couches, looking around.
تعرف في وجوههم نظرة النعيم
You shall see upon their faces the glow of bliss.
يسقون من رحيق مختوم
They will be served a drink of the finest sealed wine.
ختامه مسك وفي ذلك فليتنافس المتنافسون
Whose seal is musk, so let all aspirants aspire after that.
ومزاجه من تسنيم
A wine whose mixture is tasneem.
عينا يشرب بها المقربون
A fountain at which the chosen ones shall drink.
إن الذين أجرموا كانوا من الذين آمنوا يضحكون
Behold, the wicked were wont to laugh at the believers.
وإذا مروا بهم يتغامزون
When they passed by them, they winked.
وإذا انقلبوا إلى أهلهم انقلبوا فكهين
And when they went back to their families, they went back jesting.
وإذا رأوهم قالوا إن هؤلاء لضالون
And when they saw the believers, they said, Lo, these are the erring ones.
وما أرسلوا عليهم حافظين
They said so, although they had not been appointed watchers over them.
فاليوم الذين آمنوا من الكفار يضحكون
But today, the believers are laughing at the unbelievers.
على الأرائك ينظرون
Seated upon their couches, they are looking around.
هل ثوب الكفار ما كانوا يفعلون
Have the unbelievers been duly rewarded for their deeds?